Welcome my viewers and subscribers. In today's training, I'm going to teach us how to produce Gravitex paint. It's called Gravitex paint in some region while others call it Gravitio. So whatever you call it in your region, just know that they are all the same thing. In this video, I'm going to teach us step-by-step guide on how you can produce a quality standard Gravitex paint. If today is your first time coming across to any of our YouTube videos, please just click on subscription button, like our video, and also comment. I'll be there to answer your questions. And if you've not joined our YouTube membership program, you are missing a lot. Just click at join button and belong to any of the categories of your choice. You will have a lot to gain when you join. Everybody is looking for Gravitex paints to be painted on their exterior walls because they have suffered a lot of harm on screening and other paintings, even priming. But application of Gravitex paint will reduce all the stress for you because Gravitex paint has good qualities, like it has resistance to harsh weather, it has resistance to sunlight like ultraviolet rays, it has resistance to rain, it has resistance to wet weathers. So when you apply Gravitex paint on your wall, you will say goodbye to external maintenance. That is the reason why Gravitex paint is trending. So in this video, I will teach you how you produce a standard quality Gravitex paint. Now, if you want to produce Gravitex paint, you need to know the materials and chemicals needed for the production of Gravitex paint. The first material you need to know about is water. Water is a universal solvent. Water is the first material. You need a clean water for you to use your Gravitex paint. After water, the next chemical is titanium dioxide, calcium carbonate, marble dust. Then you need Gravitex stone. You need this Gravitex stone should be rough Gravitex stone. And mind you, Gravitex stone is one of the best and one of the main things that determines the shades or the pattern of your Gravitex paint. If you want to produce light teeth, that means the Gravitex stone should be the small one. If you want to produce big teeth, the Gravitex paint has to be the big one. If you want to produce the medium one, the Gravitex stone has to be the medium stone. Then you need kaolin, optional. Kaolin is optional. Then the next thing you need is biocide or formalin. You can call it you can use biocide, you can use formalin, you can use anticid. Then you need juniper. Already you must have added your calgon. After juniper, you need your defoamer. Then you need your hydrocellulose ether, either natroso or Bamacol. You need your acrylic, you need ammonia, you need antifungi. Then if you are shading color, you need pigments. So in this practical now, I'll be dropping the measurements for this production in our YouTube membership program. If you join our YouTube membership program, then you will access these measurements because I have to give it special for my members. I'm not going to give it out here. I have to give it for those that cherish my work because those people that join my membership program, they are appreciating what I do. So when you join our YouTube membership program, you will get the measurements there. Now we are going for the production. So watch the production as we do the production and you learn from it step by step. Thank you. So right now we are mixing the paint now. The first thing we are putting is water. Water is the first chemical we are going to put. When you put your water, then you add calgon. This is calgon. This is calgon. You add your calgon and you start stirring. You start stirring. When you stir, you make sure that everything has mixed. Do you understand? So now we have to the calgon. We are still putting calgon. When you look at the measurement I give out in that platform, you use the measurement. This one we are doing is just for practical purpose. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. This one is just for practical purpose. When you use the measurement, you will make sure you use the measurement accurately. Do you understand? Don't play with the quantities. Understand? So next thing we are going to add now is titanium dioxide. This is titanium dioxide. As you use the measurement, you add the desired quantity of titanium dioxide and you stir. Do you understand? You stir the mixture. Keep on stirring.
The reason why we are not using machine on this is a small quantity, understand, and we are just doing it for practical purpose. Not that we are doing it for anything. We're just doing this one for practical purpose. Do you understand? And it's too small. This is 4 liters. We are just doing 4 liters. Do you understand? So you keep on stirring. Then after the titan, you add the calcium carbonate. You add your calcium. When you add this calcium, you keep on stirring. Do you understand? This mixture, you have to deal with every measurement squarely. Do you understand? Anyone that is bigger than the other, you might not have a good result on your wall. Some people might think this is maybe after production, this is a potty, this is this. Is it not taste good? Is it not this? If you use your texture paint mixture to produce this, you might not get a result. If you even go and use your potty mixture and do this, you might not still get a result. Do you understand? Then you now add your acrylic. You add your acrylic. When you add those things, you make sure you keep on stirring so that everything will mix very well. Do you understand? You keep on stirring. This is juniper. You add your juniper. This is juniper. As you add, you keep on stirring. One thing with paint, water-based paint, or this house paint, is not that harmful. Understand? It's not that harmful. There's nothing here now that can kill you unless if you eat it, or when it touches you, it cannot do you anything. So you don't have to be scared of any. What we just added here now is defoamer. When you add the defoamer, so this defoamer will defoam it. Do you understand? There will be no bubble after production. This one now is antifungal. This is very important because this one will reduce the algae growth. Do you understand? This will reduce the algae growth, all this mucol and other things. When you add it, it will not. Then now you are adding your thickener. This thickener, you have to premix this thickener. You premix it with water. When you put it inside water, you stir it before you now add into your paint. You can see the texture is changing. The viscosity now is increasing. It's changing. So now you make sure you stir it very well so that you don't have balls. Understand? You make sure you stir very well. You stir it very well. Stir it very well. Then now this is our marble dust. This marble dust is just like white stone that they use machine to grind. Some people are asking me, what is marble dust? How can we get marble dust? In your country, just look for stone that is white. Look for any company that is selling a grinded stone. This is the Gravitex stone now. The other one was marble dust. If you see this Gravitex stone, you see big one. This one is big teeth. This one is medium teeth. We still have another smaller teeth. This is very important in this production. Very, very important. You make sure you get this. This one now is for big teeth. Understand? We are using medium teeth for this. We are using medium teeth. This stone is very important because this is the thing that is giving it that line. Those lines you are seeing on the wall, this is the thing that is drawing that line. Understand? If you did not put the good stone, you will not get a good line. Understand? You will not. Now, after mixing these things, you have to add your formalin. You can see I'm using my hand because it's not bad. It's not bad. Understand? This is formalin or bioxide. I'm even using my hand to mix it. There's nothing harmful here. Do you understand? The only thing that don't inhale it, don't drink it. Then the final one you are going to mix is ammonia. Like this ammonia, when you are mixing ammonia, the only thing you need to do, you don't have to breathe. This thing is gas. When you inhale it, it will be hazardous. After mixing the ammonia very well, your Gravitex paint is ready. Do you understand? The Gravitex paint is ready. When you look at this, you might say, hey, this is potty, this is test code, they have different measurements. Thank you.